Stop wasting thousands on estate fees. Let's jump into this explainer and see if you actually need probate.
Think probate is automatic? Well, a lot of people do, but for plenty of estates, it absolutely isn't.
Grieving families waste thousands on unnecessary solicitor fees, when a few simple phone calls would totally do the trick.
So here's the deal. A will says who inherits, but probate gives you the actual legal power to act.
Joint tenants inherit property automatically, but tenants in common?
Yeah, you're almost certainly going to need probate for that.
Don't just guess. Spend £3 online at the land registry to check titles and avoid those costly delays.
Now, what about bank accounts? Well, individual bank rules aren't standard at all. In fact, they vary wildly.
Call every single institution for their threshold in writing. Release limits can literally range from $5,000 to $50,000.
Follow these exact steps. If accounts are below thresholds and there's no sole property, you might bypass probate entirely.
Never hire a solicitor before running through this checklist. Otherwise, you're just going to rack up completely unnecessary fees.
But hey, don't delay either. Inheritance tax interest kicks in quickly at a staggering 7.75%.
Executors are personally liable, so keep a strict written record of bank and land registry confirmations to protect yourself.
Grab a free, structured second opinion on your exact situation before you spend a single penny on professional fees.
Try the free UK probate checker today. Seriously, are you ready to see how much your family could save?